Happy birthday, Noah! It's October 28. Super happy ang baby. Kuya. Morning. Pero today is a double celebration. Diba? Wedding ni Tito Leo and Tita Ara and birthday ni Noah. And birthday din ni Ara ngayon, diba, babe? Yun. Noah, may gift sa'yo si Kobe. May gift sa'yo si Kobe. Go, Kobe. Dito. Dito, madami yan eh. May gift si Kobe. B. Na-open na ni Mama. Si Kobe nag-buy niyan. Wait lang daw. Wiwi muna. Wiwi. Dali. Oh, ano yan? Starts with the letter B. Wow! Say thank you kay Kobe. Say I love you, Kobe. Hug mo si Kobe. Si Kobe nag-buy niyan. Dali, hug mo, Kobe. Matagal na nasa house yan. Hug na, Kobe, hug. Hug mo, Kobe. Hug si Kobe. Kobe nag-buy niyan. Kuya, lapit ka na. Love you. Say love you. Go. Ay, so iwan ko muna yung mga bata. Kasi photoshoot muna kami for Leo and Ara's wedding. Hi, Ma. Hi, B. Happy birthday. Hi, Kobe. Kain na kayo. Hello, guys. Kakatapos lang namin photoshoot with the groom. At mga abay, sila Leo. Now it's 12 o'clock. The lunch. Tapos, getting ready. 2 o'clock, papunta na kami ng venue. So, yung mga bata, getting ready. Hi, Kobe. Birthday din ni Noah. Okay. Hi. Birthday ni Noah.
Birthday ni Noah.
Si Lolo.
Happy birthday! Hello! Happy birthday!
Patingin nga ng mga kids. Kobe. Yan. Ang gwapo. Look, oh. O, si Noah, birthday boy. Wow. Noah, look. Wow. Ang Japorms. Kobe, halika. Nax naman. Nak, try mo nga suit yung shades. Yun, ang gwapo ng baby bunso at ng kuya. Mukhang kakasal na si Kobe, ah. Sino ba? Hey, Ma. Wow. Ganda ng my loves ko. Wow. Yan, so we're just waiting na ma-assist kami to check out. Ganda ng my loves namin, no? Ay, babe, yung hanger natin na iwan, no? Yung black. Ay, Kobe. Gwapo naman ng anak ko. At yung birthday boy, nasa na? In 3, 2, 1. Birthday boy, come! Ayun na si birthday boy. Ah. So, yon, birthday ni Kobe, ay ni Noah at ni Tita Ara at wedding pa nila. Hello. Wow, pinapakita niya yung dimples niya. Dito na tayo sa wedding venue at reception. Hi. Okay, congrats ha.
Ito na ngayon, ito na. This is the day. D-Day. Simula na ang ating ceremony.
Hi guys, good evening. So today, before I give my message, why don't we sing for Ara first because it's her birthday also today. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay. And so, this impromptu ka naman. Ito pala, may rin ako. And so, first, I would like to congratulate again the handsome groom and the very beautiful bride for a glorious and wonderful celebration. And tonight, your renewal of vow is a symbol and a reminder to all of us of God's love mercy, and grace. This evening is about the celebration of God's faithfulness to your marriage throughout the years. It is about glorifying Him on how good He was to the both of you. You remember all the times, diba kanina nakwento yung sa church, celebration. I pray that your marriage would always be anchored to His words. And then, Leo and Ara, may your marriage continue to be steadfastly anchored in the wisdom and guidance found in God's Word. Let this be a reminder of the unbreakable bond we share, strengthened by your unwavering faith. So with the hearts full of joy and gratitude, I invite everyone to raise your glasses high in honor of this extraordinary couple. To Leo and Ara, may your love continue to grow, your happiness know no bounds, and your journey together be forever blessed. Let's raise our glasses. Cheers!